Hi, my name is Paula Ram of Beautiful Life by Paula, and I want to come on and talk to you today about the beautiful, amazing Swerve U-pins. These are becoming one of my favorite Lilla Rose accessories, so I had to come on and show you just a few of what are available that I have in my collection and why I love them so much, and I'll show you how to use them. So one that I just got is the Janelle. Can you see that? Janelle. This comes in silver and rose gold. It is so pretty. It has little jewels, colored jewels in there. It's so pretty. This is coming out February 1st. And let's see, here's another beautiful jeweled one. And there is the Parade, which is like the blues and greens, which is so pretty. You see that? Okay, and the Adora Swerve, which is a cute big bow. That's very stunning. And the Alexandra, which I have in like this turquoise blue color, but it also comes in a pretty rainbow color. But I wear a lot of this blue turquoise color, so that's why I got this one. This is the Posy. This comes in a couple different colors. Super cute. And the Adora. These crystals here just really, see how it picks up all the colors of the rainbow? I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And then I'm going to show you the little, we call the Baby Swerve. It's the small size swerve. I'll show you how to use this. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how to use just the basic swerve, okay? So say you want to do a French twist, okay? So this is how you do it. Okay, so first you gather all your hair up in the back, in the ponytail. There's a couple different ways you can do this. This is the way I do it. I just grab it and I just twist it up. And then I just tuck the ends all under. Okay. And with the swerve, okay, see how it like curves away from your head? You take it, you grab a little bit of that twist, turn, go under and along the scalp again. Okay, and there you go. Just took a couple seconds, and look how pretty that is in your French twist. All right, is that so pretty? Oh, I didn't get all my hair. But you can see it's just so easy to do and so comfortable, and it'll stay in your hair all day. All right, so that is the amazing swerve. Okay, I can do another one. Let's see if I can do another one better. Okay, so if I take more of my hair back, okay, and turn around. Now another way to do this is the gun method, where you like put your finger here, like a gun, and then you twist up. Okay, this is another way to do the French twist. Okay, and again you're going this way. Take a little bit of that hair along the twist, turn, and then you're going along the scalp so that the curve is going along the shape of your head. Is that blue turquoise color absolutely gorgeous or what? It's so gorgeous and it's so comfortable. Okay, so that's the way I usually wear my hair, the basic French twist. And I use a flexi or I use the swerve. More and more I'm using the swerve because it's so awesome. Okay, so, but you can also use a swerve with a bun. I don't normally wear a bun. A lot of the younger ladies wear buns. I tend to wear a French twist, but let's see, we'll try a bun and see how it does. Okay, so the bun is just you're taking your hair back, okay, and again, you're just twisting it, okay, and then just going around in a bun. All right, let's see how this comes out since I never do a bun. I'm gonna take the Posy Flexi. Okay, again, the curve is opposite of your head. You take a little bit of the bun, turn, and then go along the scalp so it is going along the shape of your head. Okay, did that come out? All right, so that's a super easy, like kind of messy bun, right? And it's super easy. And the great thing about the Swerves is you can like add that little bit of extra bling, so you can kind of see how much extra bling it adds if you get a decorated Swerve. But the cool thing about this is, and the young ladies love this, is that you don't have to get the decorated part, though I love the decorated part. You can just get this plain Swerve with no decoration whatsoever. This comes in 4 finishes: gold, silver, black nickel, rose gold, okay? And this is almost invisible in your hair, okay? So if you were to do a French twist or messy bun, okay, I'll do a French twist, that's what I normally do, though the young ladies like those messy buns, right? Okay, so again, I just tuck it all in. Okay, so here's the plain Swerve. Again, you just take a little bit of hair, turn and go along the scalp. Okay, and I can see it barely shows. You can hardly see it. Okay, I think I'll do this again for the messy bun for the young ladies who do love those messy buns and don't really like hair accessories to show. Okay, so I'm just gonna take it, and sometimes I like it high. Let's see, so we'll go up, we'll twist it, go, oh, I'm so used to doing French twists. That's all my hands know to do. So just go around, twist it. Okay, so do a little bun. Okay, and again, you just take a little piece of it, turn, and go along the scalp. Okay, and then you have like your own little messy bun. Okay, is that fun or what? And you can hardly see it. Okay, you can leave pieces out or tuck it in. It just depends, you know, how much you're comfortable with. Okay, so but a new thing that is also new, which is super exciting, is the Baby Swerve. Some people call it the Baby Swerve, some people call it the Mini Swerve. I think on the website it's just called the Small Swerve. I found it. Look, so you can compare it to, this is the size of a regular Swerve, and this is the Baby or Mini Swerve. That's the difference in size, okay? So if you have fine hair, you can probably get all of your hair up in a French twist or messy bun with just the little Baby Swerve, okay? If you have average or thicker hair, like I do, this is perfect for a half up bun, okay? So a half up bun, to do that with a Baby Swerve, you just take back part of your hair, okay? Take part of it back, okay? Now you can do a little twist or you can do a little bun, right? So let's say we're gonna do a little bun. So we'll just twist the hair and we'll go around. Okay, so make a little bun. Okay, take a little bit of hair, grab, turn, and go along the scalp. So then you have like this cute little half up bun, right? And you can hardly see it in there. It's so much better than a scrunchie or a ponytail holder that kind of rips your hair out and doesn't feel so good. Okay, so another way to do this, I'm going to show you a half up and down twist. Okay, I kind of like this even better than like a half up braided bun. A bun you can also braid and fit a little bun. That's super cute. Okay, so I'm just going to pull up some hair. Okay, now I'm going to do the gun method again, like I did in the one version of the French twist. So you have the gun with your hand. So you put your finger there, bring your finger up and wrap it around and twist it. See that? Okay. Now I'm going to grab the little Baby Swerve, put it over here, turn, go along the scalp, and tuck it in. So then you have a little up and down half up twist that is super cute and super easy to do and super comfortable, and it holds. So I love the new Swerves. We're coming out with a new one or a few new ones on February 1st. One of which is an orchid, which is purple, a big orchid purple flower, which is absolutely gorgeous. You're gonna love it. And this is one of the new ones that's coming out on February 1st. So check back in because there's going to be some gorgeous swerves. If you never tried a swerve, try one. If you've never tried a baby swerve, try one. So I hope this helps, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.